How to buy on Shein. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisner, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy or make a purchase on Shein. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up Shein application and log into your account. You can head into the website as well. Here now you'll be able to see, you can search in for particular items you're looking for, or if you like any item that you are scrolling through, you can simply tap on it and open it up, and you can see the little cart icon there. If you tap on it as well, you'll be able to see the add to cart option. You can tap on it and you can choose the size and other options that is available, and then you can add it to cart. Once you have added to cart, if you head back at the home page, you'll be able to see at the bottom of the screen various options, and you can see cart icon there beside the me option. You're going to tap on cart and then select the product that you wish to purchase. Tap on checkout. It'll ask you to enter in your shipping address, and then it'll ask you to enter in your payment details and then make the payment. Once you do so, you'll be able to make the purchase and place the order. So this way you can buy on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.